Winston has a question. He's a real estate agent like I am, and so he's asking you, do you find that most personal representatives are going to be families have their own real estate broker connection, or do attorneys, you and your associates, typically have relationships, a preferred list of brokers that you refer to that understand maybe the probate or trust process? So how does it fall out, in your mind? If you don't mind sharing, what percentage of the time is the customer come up with somebody and that works, and what percent of the time are you saying, well, really, this requires a little more expertise than your local real estate expert? And how do you handle that?
With real estate brokers, it's a mixed bag because sometimes the seller really wants to use their broker, and it doesn't matter what I say. I don't care. They don't care how much experience they have with probate, and there's nothing I can do because it's ultimately his choice. I prefer to work with people who have done probate sales. They're not easy. They're not the same thing. Some people are like, oh, I just need a couple extra forms. Well, maybe, but if there's hiccups, the brokers are usually the ones that know what to do, right? And the ones that could do things without even talking to me, right? And that's very valuable in my field because they could just get it done without having to use my time, right? Or charge the client for my time. And especially when you have a probate limited sale, I don't know if you guys know what that is, but when you don't have the powers to sell freely, you have to go through a court confirmation process and a court auction. And those are so tricky because if you miss one small thing in your agreement, you're overcharging, you didn't list it at the right price, you didn't put it on the market for enough time, it just cancels the whole thing and you have to redo the whole thing again. And it's just no buyer wants to wait that long, and it just creates a lot of tension and problems. So yeah, I prefer most definitely to work with brokers that have a lot of experience with probate. It's the best.
Well, okay, if you enjoyed the video, your next step is to sign up for the webinar by clicking the link above. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment below. Be happy to address them. See you soon.